Welcome to day number 19, guys, and in today's lesson I'm going to teach you how to make offers on your videos and how to make sales. Basically, when you make offers, you're going to be able to close sales. So it's more simple than you think. The topic about sales is massive, and of course you can learn so many things within that topic, but I've never really studied like sales like with a lot of books or a lot of like trainings or things like that. I've just kind of I just got myself out there, started trying new things, speaking with people and closing sales, and kind of like got experience that way. And with that being said, it's like more simple than you think. You don't have to have like crazy selling techniques, or you don't have to have like super complicated scripts to be able to make money and generate sales by making offers. You just have to kind of like follow the same thing that I've been doing in this video. So it's like a simple formula, right? So the title of this video is how to make offers and close sales. So basically my simple formula is value, sell. Right, this is the simple formula that you have to follow, and it doesn't require you to memorize any crazy scripts. It doesn't require you to use like shady sales or marketing techniques, none of that stuff. So how this goes is that first you're gonna focus on providing value to your audience. So if you are teaching people about sales funnels, you're gonna provide value to build that relationship with people, to build trust with your audience. And when you've provided enough trust and you've provided enough value, then you can go ahead and sell, but you sell hard, right? So that's kind of like how I do it. I provide so much value for free that it's kind of like overwhelming, and I provide almost everything for free. But when it comes time to sell, I sell pretty hard, right? So you can apply this on a sales call, you can apply this on a video, you can apply this on a sales copy, all that stuff. And you've been following this 30-day training. That's kind of like the process that I've been applying. We're just literally giving you all the things that you have to apply to get results. So if you apply all the trainings that I've been recording, you will get results. That's kind of like my value, right? Now, I'm not charging anything for these videos because what I want is that you can apply this and get results. But when it comes time to sell, I don't know if you've been noticing, but I've been telling you, go to sebastiangomezmentoring.com. I say that frequently, and basically I say that because that's kind of like the next step for people that want to go faster. So I want you to understand that making offers and trying to generate sales is not evil. It's not something that's bad, because if you have a good offer to sell, if you have a good service or a good product, it's kind of like your responsibility to get it in the hands of other people. Because for instance, let's say that we have two scenarios. In scenario number one, I'm making a video like this, and I decide to not make an offer or not sell anything because maybe people are going to think that I'm just in it for the money, or that I'm an evil person, whatever objection I have in my head, right? So in scenario number one, I don't make any offers, I don't make any money. On scenario number two, I make an offer and I say, for those of you guys that are interested in this service or this product, blah, 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 go to this link. And in that scenario, let's say that I managed to help someone generate an extra $3,000 per month because of the service that I provided. So in that scenario, all right, yes, I got out of my comfort zone. Maybe a few people think that I'm an evil person because I'm trying to sell something. But in the end, the result of that second scenario was very simple. I made an offer, someone purchased, I made money, and I helped them get a result to change their life. So everyone's happy. So if you wouldn't have made that offer, or you wouldn't have made that sale, then that person wouldn't have improved their life. So it's kind of like your responsibility to make offers to be able to help people. That's how you gotta see it. You cannot think that selling is evil. You cannot think that making money is evil, because it's really not. It's just an exchange of value, right? So the reason you provide so much value up front is because that way you basically, many reasons. I mean, you build a strong bond with your audience, you generate trust, and basically you break all the objections in people's heads that, oh, maybe this person cannot help me, or maybe this person cannot offer enough value, or maybe I just don't trust or connect with this person. Those are all objections. So when you provide value, you basically destroy all those objections very, very easily. And that way, when you sell, they're basically free in their mind to make a purchase decision, right? So hopefully you understand that part. Now I want to basically I want to tell you how to make offers, right? So making offers is as simple as making an offer and as telling people to go to one link. So if you've been seeing my videos, this is the reason I made this 30-day training, is to show you exactly what you got to do, tell you exactly what you got to do, but also so you can see exactly what you got to do. So all you got to do is model these videos that I've been creating so that you can get results as well for a different topic, right? So you can literally just model this type of training and you will get results. So maybe if you're providing, I don't know, sales funnel services, that's your service, you can create a 30-day sales funnels training, or you can create a 10-day sales funnels training. And just provide value. And then if you want to make offers, just basically do it 3 times per video, in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end. So if you're starting your video, it can be something like, hey, what's up guys, today we're going to cover about what is a sales funnel and how it can help you get more clients and sales for your business. But before we dive into the topic, be sure to go to sebastiangomezmentoring.com if you want to learn more about this topic and get more information. And then you move on with the training, you keep adding value, you move on with whatever piece of content you're creating. And in the middle, you can be like, hey, what's up guys, if you're finding this valuable, be sure to go to sebastiangomezmentoring.com. And if you want to get more help with your funnels, right? You continue with your value, with your content, and in the end, you're like, hey guys, if you enjoyed this training, be sure to go to sebastiangomezmentoring.com because you're gonna get more help, blah, 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 all right? That's how you make offers. It's super simple. It's not a complicated technique or anything like that. You just do that in every single video. Now, you've probably been seeing other videos on YouTube about other people, and you see that they make offers all the time. Sometimes it's for an affiliate offer. They say, click on the link in the description to get this email marketing software, or click on the link to blah, 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 or get my full course. Everyone makes offers, so that's what you gotta do, right? So, how to make offers, that's covered. Just do it 3 times per video. Go to this link, that's it. Tell people, go to this link if you wanna get more information, if you wanna get this thing. And you continue 3 times per video, right? Super simple. And then how to close more sales. When people go to this link, you gotta have your sales process. In my case, I already have kind of like my sales process. For me, it's very simple. It's a simple page with a video, and then if you wanna learn more, you can schedule a call. And the reason we schedule a call is we wanna speak to every single person that goes through personally, because if we feel we cannot help you out, we will tell you, hey, we can't help you out. But if we feel we can help you out, we will tell you, hey, we can help you out. And if by that point, you feel we're a good fit, then we can go ahead and work together. But we really want to like connect with people to see if what we offer is a good fit for them, and if we feel that if they're a good fit for ourselves, right? That's kind of like our sales process, from a page to a call. That's it, right? Maybe for you, your sales process can be, if you go to, let's say your name is John, johnmentoring.com. For you, maybe that is like a sales page and then a checkout page. People can buy directly with their credit card. That's perfectly fine. If it works for you, great. For us, it's more like a call. It's better if we know who we're working with, right? So that's it. I mean, it's very, very simple. Nothing complicated. You don't need to memorize a bunch of scripts or read 10 books about sales. You just have to literally do this. Value, sell. When you sell hard. And when you create content, just provide so much value that it's overwhelming for people. And in the content itself, make simple offers. Tell people, go to this link. And that link should be easy to remember, like sebastiangomezmentoring.com. All right? Hope you found this training valuable. That's it for this one. And if you want to work with me and my team to help you basically improve this process, or help you with paid ads, maybe you have an e-commerce store, or maybe you want to learn how to make more offers, or whatever it is, go to sebastiangomezmentoring.com. Follow the simple steps, watch the video, schedule a call, and speak with my team. And basically that's it. Thanks for watching the video. Talk soon.